Rich versus broke morning routines. One morning routine creates wealth. The other slowly destroys it. The scary part? Most people don't even realize they're trapped in habits keeping them broke every single day. Today, we're comparing the rich mindset versus the broke mindset from the moment they wake up. Keep watching till the end. Part 1. The wake up. The broke routine starts with chaos. Snooze button, late wake up, instant stress. Before even getting out of bed, they open social media. Instead of controlling their day, they let the internet control their mood, focus, and attention. The wealthy routine starts with intention. They wake up with enough time to think clearly, not react emotionally. They protect their mental energy before the world starts demanding it. Part 2. The first hour. The broke mindset spends the first hour reacting to problems, late, distracted, unorganized. Every notification steals focus. Every distraction kills momentum. And most people repeat this cycle every single morning. The wealthy mindset invests the first hour into themselves. They read, exercise, plan, learn. Because rich people understand something most don't. Your morning often predicts your income. Part 3. Money habits. The broke routine leaks money before noon. Impulse spending, delivery apps, daily unnecessary purchases. Small spending habits don't feel dangerous until they become your lifestyle. Most people don't realize they're trading future freedom for temporary comfort. The wealthy routine focuses on ownership. They think long term. Instead of asking, "What do I want today?" they ask, "What builds my future?" Rich habits compound, just like bad habits do. Part 4. Attention and focus. The broke mindset constantly escapes reality. Entertainment becomes a full-time lifestyle. And in 2026, attention is money. The more distracted you are, the easier it is to stay stuck. The wealthy protect their focus like an asset. They know every hour matters. While others consume content all morning, they create value. And value is what creates income. Part 5. Mindset difference. The broke mindset blames everything: the economy, luck, other people, timing. They wait for motivation before taking action. The wealthy mindset understands one thing: discipline beats motivation. They don't feel like waking up early every day, they just do it anyway. Because success is usually boring consistency repeated for years. The difference between rich and broke habits isn't talent. It's daily choices repeated over time. One routine builds freedom, the other builds regret. Which routine are you? Comment the worst morning habit people need to quit. And subscribe for more videos about money, wealth psychology, and financial freedom.